Hello everyone, today, we're going to discuss how to get more clients for your home cleaning business by creating a website. A website is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience and attract new customers. So, let's dive into the 5 key steps to build your website and boost your business. 1. Choose the right platform. The first step is to choose a reliable and user-friendly website builder. There are many options available, such as Wix, Shopify, or Squarespace. Choose one that best fits your needs and budget. 2. Define your target audience. To create a targeted website, it's essential to understand your target audience. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, and the type of home services you provide. This will help you tailor your content and marketing strategies to the right audience. 3. Showcase your services. Create a clear and concise page for each home service you offer. Provide detailed information about the services, pricing, and guarantees. Include photos and videos to demonstrate your skills and showcase the cleanliness of your workspaces. 4. Use social media. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your business. Reach out to your target audience and engage with them. Share updates, promotions, and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Consider setting up Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter accounts for your home cleaning business. 5. Optimize your website for search engines. To increase visibility on search engines, make sure your website is optimized for search engines SEO. This includes using targeted keywords, giving proper descriptions, and obtaining reputable backlinks. Optimize your website for mobile devices to reach a wider audience, as most searches are done on smartphones. In conclusion, creating a website is an essential tool for attracting more clients for your home cleaning business. By choosing the right platform, defining your target audience, showcasing your services, using social media, and optimizing your website for search engines, you'll be well on your way to building a strong online presence. If you want same outcomes for your business, visit eService Solution. We will do all the steps for you. Good luck and happy cleaning.